Wow, so cute. Wow, ang behave niya, tinan niyo, kanina pa siya behave. Asado roll, masarap nga yun eh. Parang favorite ko na nga yun eh. O ano ba yun? Direk yun, nakaayos ito. Direk yung ano. Alam, pag kinarigo eh. What? Oh, your G is missing. I don't know. Where is it? Ah, Mami will... Ay, wala. There's no G. It's okay. It's okay. It's not yours, ha? That's not yours. My G is missing daw ko, no? Kala mo sa'yo yan. Hindi yan sa'yo. Ayusin na lang pag ano, suklay-suklay para makitan pa rin si principal. Oh no. Di ba sabi naman niya after na ng Santo Niño pwede siya pagupitan. Yun lang. Kung hindi mag-perform. Pera osog. Babe siya, no? Oh, wow. Time out.
Time out. Wait, baby. Ayos mo na.
Diho. Oh. You give to Kuya first. Okay.
Just a minute.
Ah, just a minute. Oh.
Close eyes mo, please.
Chin up, chin up. Close, close. Close your eyes. Ah, nakasmile ka eh. It's so windy. It's so windy. Mahangin sa labas. Sabi niya, it's so windy. Is it windy? Ah? Do you like it, me love? Oh, oh, wow. Okay, you're done, you're done. One. Oh, so, oh, wait lang. Right, oh. No. Oh, no. Sisirain natin to eh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Wow. Nathan, so cute. Wow. Pogi ah. Okay, now you're done? Okay, done.
Naku, siguro bang edad mo ng 12, balbasarado ka na.
Oh, no. Nag-iya. It's not yours. Why, it's not yours.
Come on, your turn. Come on.
Okay.
Walang ano, sumo.
Okay. Say cheese. Say cheese first.
Bye.
Say cheese first. Okay.